Is Notion better than Asana? It's a question that comes up quite a lot, especially when it comes to project management tools. Both are incredibly popular and have their unique strengths, but how do they compare and which one is right for you? Stick around till the end, and I'll break it all down, including some special perks that could help you make the right decision. Before we dive in, if you're interested in trying out Asana or Notion yourself, you can get started with a free version and exclusive bonuses through the first link below. Alright, let's kick things off. First, one of the key differences between Notion and Asana is how they're designed to be used. Asana is primarily a project management tool built for task tracking, deadlines, and team collaboration. It's simple, with clear task lists, timeline views, and progress tracking. If you're someone who needs a straightforward tool to manage work and track deadlines, Asana is your go-to. Now, Notion is a bit different. It's not just a project management tool, but more of an all-in-one workspace. You can manage tasks, take notes, track projects, and even create a database. It's more customizable, but that also means it has a steeper learning curve. The flexibility of Notion allows you to build your own workspace the way you want, which can be amazing, but also overwhelming if you're just looking for simplicity. Next thing, let's talk integrations. Asana does a great job at integrating with other apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams, which is really useful if your team relies on these tools for daily work. On the other hand, Notion integrates with a few major apps, but it's not as extensive as Asana. However, Notion allows you to embed pretty much anything, from videos to code snippets, giving you more creative control over what you add into your workspace. The fourth thing is about collaboration. Asana is built for teams, making it easier for multiple users to collaborate on the same project, assign tasks, and track everyone's progress. It's perfect for larger teams or organizations that need clear structure. Notion, while it allows collaboration, is more about personal customization and working at your own pace. Teams can collaborate, but Notion's strength lies more in its flexibility for individuals. Next, let's discuss pricing. Both tools offer free versions, but Asana's free plan is more focused on small teams with limited features, while Notion's free version is quite generous for personal use. Notion gives you unlimited pages and blocks for free, which can be a big win if you're just using it on your own or in a small team. Finally, there's the ease of use. Asana is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for new users to get started quickly. You can jump right in and start creating projects, assigning tasks, and setting up deadlines without much of a learning curve. Notion, however, takes a little more time to master, but once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. It's definitely a more complex tool, but that's part of what makes it so powerful. So, is Notion better than Asana? It really depends on your needs. If you want a straightforward, easy-to-use tool for managing tasks and projects, Asana is your best bet. But if you need a flexible, all-in-one workspace that you can customize to your heart's content, Notion might be the way to go. Now, if you want to try either of these tools yourself, remember you can get access to exclusive bonuses through the first link below. And be sure to check out the extended free trial we've secured for you, giving you even more time to explore these options. Which tool works best for you? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out the free trial options in the description.